start off with, I went into this rainbow cake and I sponged a line down the centre of my nose, and then I flipped the sponge round and I sponged on one of the bunny ears on each side, and then I added another little section for where the ears are going to flop over. I then went into a white face paint and I started to paint on the bunny's furry cheeks, and I came round from the corners of the eye round to the corners of the mouth. I then filled in this whole space with white. I used a kabuki brush, but you could use a sponge or just a normal paintbrush, just whatever you find easiest to do a big space. Then went into a black face paint with a Mark Reed round number 4 brush, and I just started to add all the details and outline the whole design. I painted some black liner on top of my eyes, and then I went into a white paint and I painted bunny teeth on my bottom lip. I then decided to add a double dip flower in the forehead because obviously it's spring and we've got cherry blossom, and yeah, so I did a double dip flower. If you want to see a tutorial for this, I'll link it down in the description. And then yeah, I did a few petals around it as well, and then added some white dots in the centre of the flower and around the petals. To finish off the design, I added some glitter to just a few areas of the bunny, and this is from Hemway glitter. It's like an iridescent one. Okay, so this is the finished design. I hope that you like it. Obviously I know that no one's working at the moment, but maybe next year when you do a festival for Easter or something, this design will come in handy. Also, this design was inspired by someone that I follow on Instagram called the Cheeky Chipmunk. I'll leave a link to her Instagram down below, so go check her out.